Hey guys! Okay, so now that we've studied all the vocabulary from the yard, let's play a little memory game. A memory game. Let's see if you can remember 5 words and if you can recognize, if you can find the one that's missing. Okay? Let's start with an example. So, here are 5 pictures of 5 words we've studied in the yard. Do you recognize them? We have the backyard, the front yard, so backyard, backyard, and the other one is front yard, front yard, so backyard, front yard. What else do we have? We have grass, yes, natural grass that grows, grass, 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 and the other type of grass called fake grass. So we have grass and fake grass, fake grass. And we also have a tree. What tree is it? What type of tree is it? Pine tree, a pine tree. Very good. So, now that you have seen all those images and you know the words, let me take off one picture and you tell me which one is missing, okay? Which one is missing? What's missing? What's missing? Is it the backyard? Is the backyard missing? No, it's the other type of yard, the front yard. Yes, the front yard is missing. The front yard is missing. Again, the front yard is missing. Good. All right, so we have backyard, front yard, grass, fake grass, pine tree. You ready? What's missing? Is it the pine tree? No. Is it the front yard again? No. What's missing? Right, the fake grass. The fake grass. Fake grass. Fake grass. Very good. Third round. What's missing? Yes, this one is easy. It's the grass, the natural grass. The grass is missing. The grass is missing. The grass is missing. Next round. What's missing? Haha! Yes, the pine tree. The pine tree is missing. The pine tree is missing. Let's review the question. What's missing? What's missing? What's missing? Okay, last one. Are you ready? So let me see. Is the pine tree missing? No. No, it isn't. Is the grass missing? No. Is the fake grass missing, maybe? No, it isn't. Is the front yard missing? The front yard? No. So what's missing? The backyard. Yes, the backyard is missing. Very good. Okay, 5 new words. Ready? So we have to water, to water. Yes, the action, like if I use a watering can or a hose to water, water. Then we have the actual watering can, watering can, watering can, watering, 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 watering can, watering can, watering can. The hose, the hose, the hose. Then we have the green pepper, the green pepper. And we have leaves, leaves. Remember, one leaf, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Leaves. Yeah. Can you hear the difference? Yeah. So one leaf, 2 leaves. Okay. So we have to water, the watering can, the hose, the green pepper, and leaves. Are you ready? What's missing? What's missing? You got it? Yeah, got it? Yeah. It's the hose. Yes, the hose is missing. The hose is missing. Yeah? Okay. Ready? What's missing? Aha, that's right. The green pepper. The green pepper is missing. The green pepper is missing. So let's review, right? To water, a watering can, a hose, a green pepper, and leaves. You got them? Yeah, good? All right, ready? Aha! What's missing? There are 2 pictures missing. Can you remember them? Which one are missing? Which ones are missing? The watering can, and to water. Yes, the watering can and to water. Yes. All right, next. What's missing? And actually, more importantly, how many are missing? How many pictures are missing? 1 picture? 2 pictures? 3 pictures? How many pictures are missing? 2, that's right, just 2. So, which ones? The leaves are missing, and what else is missing? The green pepper, very good. The leaves and the green pepper are missing. The leaves and the green pepper are missing. The leaves and the green pepper are missing. Okay, last one, you ready? What happened? What happened? All the pictures are missing. 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 So do you remember them? Let's see. Go ahead, go ahead. To water, a watering can, a hose, a green pepper, and leaves. Very good. This one was a little tricky. All right, this is our last set for today. Ready? So we have the lawnmower, right, to cut the grass. The lawnmower. We have this process of growing, to grow. We also have a plant. What else do we have? A palm tree, like at the beach or in Florida or in California, or I don't know, where there's a lot of sun at the beach. Palm tree. And the fence, yeah, the fence. So we have the lawnmower, we have to grow, we have a plant, we have a palm tree, and a separation, a fence. Okay? You ready? What's missing? The plant. Yes, the plant is missing. Very good. Ready? What's missing? To grow. Very good. To grow. Like the grass grows, the plants grow, trees grow also, flowers grow, yeah, to grow. Okay. What's missing? Remember? The palm tree. That's right. The palm tree is missing. Next. Ha! This machine that we use to cut the grass. Do you remember what it's called? It's a long word. It's a little difficult. It's called a lawnmower. Because remember, the grass, the area with the grass, is also called lawn. So lawnmower. Yeah, lawnmower. Last one. Ready for the last one? How many pictures are missing? How many? 1, 2, 3. How many? 3 pictures. 3 pictures are missing. 3 pictures are missing. Okay. Go ahead. Which ones? The fence. Very good. The fence was missing. Also missing, the lawnmower. And also missing, to grow. Very good. Very good, you guys. But I think we've practiced quite a bit. Did you enjoy this yard series? Would you like to see more things in my house or in my yards? Let me know, okay? Bye! Please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can come back and watch more videos later. Bye!